Let's go to the Puffin to fun. Wait. Puffin is now £1? I better buy it right now. Big Gamer. Come to. Wait. It said downloading Dark Volcano Charlie the Anteater OS.
That's right. I had enough with you to making grounded videos out of my animate friends. For that, you have my mouse instead of Windows 11. Now I will control your mouse to click yes.
No.
Welcome to Dark Volcano Charlie the Anteater OS. My name is Dark Volcano Charlie the Anteater, and I will be your guide. So, what do you want?
I'm going to the internet because I love the internet. Now I'm going to buy yarn on my credit card. You know what that means? This means I head to YouTube instead since I have only a £100. I'm going to watch General Guy for Hire 18, Subway.
I'm sorry, but you can only watch classic Kalo Gets Ungrounded videos.
Then I'm leaving the YouTube. I'm going to play some games. Kalo Gets Grounded game, Superman 64, and wait, is that Mario Kart 8? I never played before. Well then, I play it.
Whoops, you got a blue screen of death. You have to restart immediately.
Oh come on. I really want to play Mario Kart 8 so badly. Anyways, restart is coming.
Welcome back, and before you asking about the face cam, my OS is special scriptly. So that's why. And I'm sorry about the game. Because Mario Kart 8 is one of my favorite games.
I'm going to write something.
I know what are you gonna write. You gonna write my OS? It's stupid and boring. Just go you want.
Paint. Here I come.
Welcome to Paint 3D. Go ahead.
Then why I waiting for? It's picture time. My picture is done.
Then I save it.
Whoops, you got a blue screen of death again. You have to restart immediately.
But I restart my computer when I trying to play my game.
Welcome to my OS again. As you can see, I update a little bit.
Then I'm calmed down by a music.
Hey, why did you stop me one of my favorite music?
Because you favorite music it's terrible. I'm going to play some games on Roblox. I'm going to play Nids Buses and Trams because he's my favorite game.
Uh-oh. It looks like you need to pay 10 Robux to play everything on Roblox.
Then I'm leaving. I better check out the news for good.
Belassignes. Parents.
What the heck you saying? Speak English right this instant.
No. I don't speak English. I only speak Norwegian.
But I still don't understand. Just speak English now.
Hey. Det forblind. Kan du se et subtitles.
The subtitle looks fine to me, but I don't want you to speak you stupid Norwegian language.
Stop being so sarcastic. Let him finish his speech about the kid said curse word the world.
Ja. Jeg skjul never jugge som underbase rundt heilang lages. Nå lek meg et bak to mye spet sabot tessid sid kursiv ord to ord. Tisis get reali annoying.
I only trust someone who is friendly, kind and polite. not someone who is selfish and disturbing.
I 3000 matter. Nå lek med fini som i speech before I lokal program.
Agreed. If you keep this up, I will launch another blue screen of death.
Okay. Enough is enough. You, the guy who speaks Norwegian, you should be kicked out from the screen. And you, barely, hire another businessman, or a businesswoman who speaks English.
Hold dere I bygdet som underbaseron mye langlages. I knå I teva svere rude. Ani og sjolean, manners to hus.
That's it. You know what that means. Another blue screen of death time.
Whoops, you got a blue screen of death again. You have to restart immediately.
I cannot believe that I got the blue screen of death yet again, because the man talks Norwegian. Restart is coming. I'm going to buy something on the shop lastly.
I forgot to fix the shop.
Wow 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 wow.
Yay. Reinstalling the Windows 11. No more dark Volcano Charlie the Anteater OS.